everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you want your money to grow, but you also want to sleep at night knowing it's doing good, not harm. Conscious wealth isn't just a buzzword, it is a smart play, and Cowrywise is making it easier than ever. Today we're diving deep into ethical investing in Nigeria. Now, what exactly is ethical investing? Simply put, it's putting your money into companies and assets that align with your values. This means avoiding industries like tobacco, alcohol, gambling, or businesses with exploitative practices. For many, it also means following Sharia compliant principles. And here is where Cowrywise shines in 2025. They are dedicated Hela accounts. This isn't just a label, it's rigorously screened, and it's a portfolio that invests only in Sharia compliant stocks and sukuk, that is, Islamic bonds. For those who don't know what I mean, it means no interest-based debts, no companies involved in prohibited activities. It's clean money growing cleanly. Why is this so important now? Beyond the moral compass, ethical funds are proven to be incredibly resilient. They often avoid the volatile, high-debt companies that get hammered during economic downturns. In 2024 and early 2025, we saw many ethical funds outperform traditional ones because of their inherent stability. While traditional funds may have more dramatic swings, ethical funds tend to follow a more consistent upward trajectory, especially in a maturing market like Nigeria's. So, how do you get started? It's super simple on Cowrywise. When you're setting up a new investment plan or exploring their funds, you see options for HELA compliant investments. For example, Lotus HELA Equity ETF. Just select it, and they will handle all the intricate screening for you. Think about it, you're not just growing your money, you're investing in companies that contribute positively to society, or at the very least aren't causing harm. That is a powerful feeling, and it is becoming a mainstream expectation, not just a niche. So whether you're a Muslim or not, the principles of ethical investing, transparency, sustainability, and responsible practices are universal. Cowrywise makes it accessible for every Nigerian to align their finances with their conscience. If you are ready to grow your money without losing your soul, the Cowrywise HELA plan is your best friend. It is secure, it is ethical, and it is primed. So, if this video inspired you to check out ethical investment, hit the like button, subscribe for more smart money moves, and do not forget to get started on Cowrywise. Stay ethical, stay wealthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.